We just got the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's unbox it. First, we're going to start off with this battery pack for the back. This is a MagSafe battery pack, so it should just clip on the back of the phone, but it's a pretty good size. And the iPhones this year don't have any plastic wrap on them, so it's just the box. Just at first glance, these cameras stick out a lot farther than the iPhone 12. In the box, we got ourselves a USB-C to Lightning power cord. Got the SIM card remover and the Apple sticker, but other than that, it's the same as last year. And when the phone's sitting on the back, look how high that camera sits up. The most satisfying thing in the world. This is just comparison from the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro, and then the iPhone 11 Pro. As you can tell, this camera sticks out a lot more. This is a side shot. Obviously, the home button is a little bit down. This is the 12 Pro, this is the 13 Pro. You can see the camera was the biggest thing they've changed on this. They're literally huge. Let's turn it on. And as you can see, the notch on the 12 Pro is much bigger than the notch on the 13 Pro. And it's the same, but I like the home screen, how they changed that to be colorful and then it says hello. So if you are going to get one of these, you're going to have to get a new case because the power button's in a different spot. And the size comparison on the camera is totally different as well. But other than that, it's pretty similar when it comes to the looks of it. But this camera is very good. I'll probably do a few videos on the recording quality of this because that's supposed to be a big deal as well. But side-by-side comparison, the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro are very alike. There you have the iPhone 13 Pro.